Okay, so now we are gonna move the meat birds, and so I have to go in there and get the food and water so we don't run over it when we're moving. Now they all have fresh grass and they're happy. You can see, well, kind of, all of that over there. Well, you just went down that line. They used to be and all that. And all of that green stuff, that's where they used to, the first batch of chickens used to be. And there, it's grown back really green and really good. So, yep, that's how I move the meat birds. I'm gonna put the water and food back in there, and they're good to go. Hi to Wesley. Look, 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 look. Oh, and here's a close-up on his neck. All the feathers are growing back. It used to be raw. Yeah, he's cute. Okay, so here we are with the turkeys. We're gonna weigh them today, and we're gonna weigh Clyde first. I already got him out of the cage, and yep, he's huge. So here we go. I'm gonna weigh myself first to see how much we add with him. Second. So that's 16 or 17. Okay, so here we got Clyde. So this doesn't hurt them holding it like this. It just calms them down. Yeah, it doesn't hurt them too much. I'm gonna wait. Wow, so that's like 32 or 33 pounds. That's big. I'll put him down. And then I'm gonna go get Bonnie. Pick up Bonnie. And they're both Toms. Oh my goodness. So that's like 20 in the 20s. Like 26, 27. Wow. Maybe 25. So they're pretty big. Younger.